Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to absorb vitamin C effectively. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant crucial for many bodily functions, including immune support and skin health. Most adults need about 75 to 90 milligrams per day, but this can vary. Understanding how your body processes this vital nutrient is key to maximizing its benefits. We'll cover practical strategies to ensure you get the most from your intake. The best way to get vitamin C is through a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Think about incorporating foods like oranges, kiwis, broccoli, and red bell peppers into your meals. Remember, heat can degrade vitamin C, so enjoying these foods raw or lightly cooked, such as by steaming for a few minutes, helps retain their nutritional value. Aim for a variety of colorful produce daily. To further boost absorption, pair vitamin C-rich foods with bioflavonoids, naturally present in many fruits and vegetables. Conversely, certain habits can hinder absorption. Smoking, for instance, depletes vitamin C levels, requiring higher intake. Stress and some medications can also impact its uptake. Maintaining good gut health through a balanced diet is also crucial for efficient nutrient absorption. If your dietary intake isn't enough, or if you have increased needs due to illness or stress, supplements can be a good option. Look for ascorbic acid, which is widely available and well absorbed. For optimal absorption, it's often better to take smaller doses, perhaps 250 to 500 milligrams, 2 or 3 times a day, rather than one large dose. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.